Cut that one. And Vicky is excited. They also have a free gift from the grocery. Hello my lovely viewers, welcome to my channel, Explore with Micah, Live and Love Life. Today I will be sharing with you about our 10 days grocery so that you will have an idea how much is it cost the basic groceries here in Portugal, if it's expensive or if it's not. So without further ado, let's get started. We have here 2 packets of esperais or fusilli, 2 packets of spaghetti integral, the whole meal spaghetti, toiletas or baby wipes, 400 grams of lentillas or lentils, farinha de trigo or wheat flour, azeitonas or the olives, black olives specifically. We bought 3 olive oils, 750 ml each, azeite oil. Here's the third one. We bought also dois anonas or 2 chermoya, we call it in my language atis. 6 kg of banana. There's a lot of them. Wait. 10 apples or masa. 1 dozen of eggs, bulbush. 200 grams of black chocolate. 3 packets of aveia flocos grossos or the oats, regular oats, not the instant oats but the old-fashioned oats. Doritos, traditional Portuguese bread, pão de avó. And we have this another bread from here. It's pão de mistura trigo e centeio, another traditional Portuguese bread. Bolacha tostada or the biscuits, 800 grams. It's a lot. Vinagre de vinho branco, white wine vinegar. 2 cans of sardinas or sardines. It's spicy. We bought also 2 cogumelos or button mushrooms, cashew or cashew nuts, amêndoa or almonds, Nescafe para kay 9 pieces of pera or pears, 3 avocado, 3 abacat, batata dos or sweet potato, broccoli, the vegetable we use for caldo verde, it's a Portuguese couve or cabbage, but sliced in small pieces. 3 kilos batatas or potato, 4 cenouras or 4 carrots. We also have 1 kilo camarão, 1 kg of shrimp, 1.8 kg of dorada or gill head brim fish. More. We bought also frango or chicken. We also bought alheira. It's a traditional Portuguese sausage that's made of meat and bread. I like it because it's much flavorful and less fat compared to chorizo. And then we have pork lombo. We bought like around 2 kg for 10.58 euro. And also Peru or Turkey, it's 5.2 euro for 1 kg. And that's it for the grocery part. Oh my god, I'm so happy for this grocery because we received a gift, Christmas box from PINGO DOCE with a message of "O Natal traz o melhor de nós. The Christmas brings the best in us. Feliz Natal. Merry Christmas." Oh my god. PINGO DOCE is a local brand here in Portugal. And they are in 30 years in service already. So we received sortido de porco preto, or the meat from the black pork, copos de chocolate belga, or the Belgian chocolates, mini bolachas, or the small cookies, dos de figo com mel, or the figs with honey, jam. And the Portuguese cannot miss anything or a special day without wine, so they gave us a green wine, Alvarenho Reserva, and then a red wine, Cabernet Sauvignon, Aragonese from Alentejo area. The good thing about groceries ordered online is that they are convenient. It saves time and fuel as well. And with PINGO DOCE, they call prior to their deliveries if there are some unavailable stocks and if we can substitute the item. And with that, thank you PINGO DOCE for that service, and also with the gift box that we received tonight. And to all my lovely viewers, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you share this video to your friends and families. Thank you. Muito obrigado. Adios. See you next time.